GCMC, from a humble beginning, was set up in 1998 and has emerged as a key player in the industry. It is a cylinder manufacturing company in Ghana that meets all the international standards and has dedicated itself to quality, safety, reliability, and authenticity. As a cylinder manufacturing company, it prides itself in producing high-quality cylinders as its premier core business. Over the years, it has steadily progressed into producing cook stoves and other allied accessories as auxiliary products. Its product lines are 14.5 kg, 12.5 kg, 6 kg, 3 kg cylinders, the smallest size. Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company intends to venture to producing the 52 kg, as there is a high demand for our hospitals, for oxygen, and restaurants or hotels. We also produce double burner stoves called Awaripa, single burner stoves called Osujeni, and the gas pot, with the concept of our grandmothers and mothers in the coal pot days. Each of the manufacturing processes involved in producing these valuable products are designed to meet rigorous industry standards.
I happen to have been part of the administrative staff of the Ministry of Energy from 1981 to 2001, 20 years. And this was during the period that the energy sector reforms started, which gave birth to the establishment of the Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company. I recall then that the main impetus for the establishment was the realization, indeed a global realization of pollution, deforestation, climate warming, and so and so forth, which was the result of charcoal burning, which is common in Ghana at the time. And studies have shown that if we do not take steps to reduce the level of charcoal burning, it might affect the entire environment, especially deforestation. So these were the motivation behind the establishment of the cylinder manufacturing company. And the idea is to make sure that we emphasize or increase the use of gas, especially domestic use, so that people will move gradually from the use of charcoal to gas.
Our main point of re-entry into the cylinder manufacturing industry is for us to focus on refurbishing our recalled cylinders. This has been due to the efforts of National Petroleum Authority, NPA, in collaboration with Ministry of Energy, to champion the refurbishment of recalled cylinders under the Cylinder Recirculation Model, known as the CRM, under the Government of Ghana initiative. GCMC's progress over the past 27 years has not been smooth sailing. It has had its fair share of pendulum between successes and setbacks, predominantly in the area of finance. Over the past 20 months while in office, the goal was to get GCMC in a stable environment by ensuring all staff members were receiving decent basic salary and care, improving working environment, having a well-defined SOPs to ensure we have a fair and level playing field, and getting the company to run as a going concern. Unfortunately, much of the perception of GCMC over the years has been that of a lost case. However, intense analysis has revealed that GCMC is actually a gold mine awaiting to be unearthed. This observation was not only realized by myself, but also the CEO of GNGC, Ghana Gas, Dr. Ben Asante. And this was the vision that has led to us being here today, to witness a successful launch of the new GCMC, as a result of a successful acquisition of GCMC by GNGC. GCMC is now a fully owned subsidiary of GNGC. The genesis of the acquisition, which took off in May 2023, commenced with the internal rebranding by sensitizing the existing staff members to understand the strategy and the way forward for GCMC, and additionally, offering comprehensive training programs to ensure staff are well equipped to adapt the new technologies and methodologies in the industry. These advancements have demonstrated the new GCMC's commitment to fostering a thriving workplace and ensuring every team member contributes and succeeds. To maintain our competitive edge, we continually invest in new technology. Our latest installations, such as 2110kN power press and an open back inclinable press, have increased production capacity and improved precision of our cook stoves. This commitment to modernization not only boosts productivity, but also ensures we deliver the highest quality products to our customers. The cylinder recirculation model, CRM, is spearheaded by MPA, the government regulators on petroleum and LPG products. MPA, under the supervision of the Ministry of Energy, has given GCMC the mandate to refurbish recalled cylinders and certify its safety for reuse or otherwise scrap those that do not meet the stringent standard of a safe cylinder. This is with the aim of curbing or reducing accidents with regard to refilling of cylinders at gas stations, which has led to explosions and loss of lives in recent years. This program is all about keeping filled LPG cylinders at exchange points for customers to pay for the content and pick them up after registration with their national identification card. With the commencement of the CRM, a Government of Ghana initiative, our factory is being retrofitted to accommodate one line for the manufacture of cylinders, one line for refurbished recalled cylinders, and manufacturing space for the various sizes of the cook stoves, renovating and creating space for storage, installation of testing machines for refurbishment, creating areas for training of engineering students, and exchange points for each of the bottling plants under the CRM. We are looking forward, after the retrofitting, to fulfill the proposals meted to us from our neighboring countries such as Benin, Togo, La Côte d'Ivoire, Liberia, and Burkina Faso, all of which are in their initial stages of possible collaboration. One area GCMC feels it can contribute to Ghana's increase in employable materials engineers and interns is in the area of training, so that our students can get first-hand experience in the vocational aspect in materials engineering. As we look to the future, GCMC remains dedicated to innovation and excellence with a solid foundation and a commitment to quality. We are excited to continue our journey in the cylinder manufacturing industry. Thank you.